How to fix WhatsApp microphone not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. After you click on Apps and Notifications, click on See All Apps. Then search for WhatsApp in here. You'll find all the list of apps. Simply click on WhatsApp. Here, click on Permissions. In Permissions, you will find Microphone. Click on Microphone and make sure it's allowed only while using the app. Make sure the dot is in there. After you do that, microphone permission will be given to WhatsApp. If this does not work, what you can do is go back to Setting. Here, scroll down to the bottom and click on System. Click on Reset Options and Factory Reset Everything. Erase all data, or if you have options like mine, Reset App Preferences, click on it and Reset Apps. After that, everything will change into default and you will be able to use your microphone. This is how to fix WhatsApp microphone if it's not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.